Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Samanit and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So today's video is definitely very interesting and one of my favorite video, and that is lip swatching. As you all know, that too from my favorite brand, that is MAC Cosmetics. So in this video I am going to swatch all those products that I have bought their limited edition collection. So without further ado, let's just start the video. So the first lipstick that I'm going to swatch is known as MAC Cosmetics Heart Goes Boom lipstick. It is from MAC Holiday Collection of 2020. It comes in a beautiful rose gold packaging. As you can see, it is matte in texture. It is a beautiful warm tone dark fuchsia lipstick. On my lips it looked like little satin. It is definitely very pigmented. It glides smoothly on my lips, stays like 7 to 8 hours on my lips, and leaves a light stain on my lips. It look good across all complexion. Moving on to the next lipstick, and it is named as Healthy, Wealthy and Thriving Powder Kiss lipstick. Now this Powder Kiss lipstick is also a limited edition lipstick, and it is from their Master Moon Piece collection. It is, I think, still available at Nykaa, maybe, I am not sure, but definitely you can check it out. And it is also available in Shopper Stop app. It is a powder matte formula. It is a beautiful dark rusty red on my lips. As you can see, it stays 3 to 4 hours on my lips. It is like a balm kind of lipstick, so you need to reapply them after 3 to 4 hours. It can be applied as a lip tint also. It is definitely very pigmented. As you can see, it glides like a balm on my lips. I mean, very smoothly on my lips, and I really like this MAC Powder Kiss lipstick. Definitely the down point of this lipstick is just that this Powder Kiss lipstick don't stay for longer time on my lips, which I really don't like, because when you are investing so much money on a single lipstick that stays for hardly 3 to 4 hours, I would rather prefer to pick any drugstore brand in lesser price with the same kind of quality. Anyways, this is my 2 cents review. Now moving on to the next product. The next product is all from MAC Cherry Blossom collection, and it is MAC Glow Play Balm, and it is in the shade Blossom or Buzz. Now this is also a limited edition lip balm, and definitely this is the first time that I'm trying out MAC lip balm, and the reason of trying it because I heard so many good reviews regarding this balm from my friends that I had to try it. It has a very unique texture. It delivers a flattering juicy finish on my lips. This is a really good tinted lip balm with a nourishing blend of shea butter and mango and jojoba seeds oil that instantly soothe, smooth and hydrate my dry lips. The lip balm gives a sheer effect, yet it gives a very vibrant color on my lips. I really like this shiny juicy finish of this lip balm, and definitely this is the first time I'm using MAC lip balm, and I'm really impressed with the quality. But definitely on the price point for a lip balm, I think it is too much expensive. Moving on to the lipstick, which is one of my favorite part, and it is also from MAC Black Cherry collection. Now the first lipstick that I'm going to swatch is named as Drama Rama. There was 3 lipsticks in this collection, among which I picked only 2. Drama Rama is one of them. It is also a limited edition lipstick from MAC Black Cherry collection. It is matte in texture and the shade is slightly warm tone dark fuchsia lipstick. It stays pretty 7 to 8 hours on my lips, and it glides smoothly on my lips. It is definitely very pigmented, and yes, I have also compared MAC Heart Goes Boom from the holiday collection with this MAC Black Cherry collection Drama Rama, and you can see this Drama Rama is little bit on the darker side of the fuchsia, whereas the Heart Goes Boom is little bit on the lighter side. Both the lipsticks are almost same on my lips. I hope you can see that, and if you wear any of them, you can't say which one is Drama Rama and which one is Heart Goes Boom. Anyways, I really like both of this lipstick. Now moving on to the next lipstick.
Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you.
Next lipstick from this collection is Moody Bloom. It is also a limited edition lipstick from MAC Black Cherry collection. It is a beautiful matte neutral tone medium dark red lipstick which look really dark on me. It will look flattering on all skin tone. I really like the texture of these lipsticks because this is definitely very pigmented, and like other MAC lipstick, it glides super smoothly on my lips, stays pretty 7 to 8 hours on my lips. I really like the shade Moody Bloom, and this is one of my favorite lipstick among all these lipsticks that I have swatched today.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give.
Moving on to the blushes now, and yes, I have also picked two blushes from MAC Black Cherry collection. Both the blushes are extra dimension blushes, and this is the first time that I am going to try out MAC extra dimension blushes, and I'm really impressed with the texture and the quality of these blushes. I picked two blush from this collection. The first one is MAC Look Don't Touch blush, and it is a very beautiful medium pink with moderate warm tones. It has a soft sheen. The texture is very smooth to touch and very dense, or I could say that pigmented. The shade is like light peachy kind of on my skin tone. It is a perfect summer kind of blush. I really like this blush, and it is a medium pigmented that can be buildable, whereas the other blush, which is named as Room to Bloom, is light pink shade. Both the blushes are my favorite, and they are going to look good on fair to medium skin tone. Now this collection have 4 blushes, among which the other 2 are a little bit on the darker side, so I think those 2 blushes are for medium to dusky skin tone, whereas these 2 blushes are for fair to medium skin tone. Fair enough, right? Anyways, so both these blushes have a very soft sheen finish that I really like them, and they don't enhance my skin pores. Both of the blushes stays good for 5 to 6 hours. Among these 2 blush, I really like Look Don't Touch blush because I feel it is little bit of my kind of blush for summer. So yes, that is all about blushes. Now moving on to the highlighter, and I'm going to swatch today MAC Master Moonpiece highlighter in the shade Double Gleam. So the story behind swatching of this highlighter, actually 2 of this same highlighter, is just that I picked 2 of this highlighter, one from holiday collection and one from this Master Moonpiece collection. I keep one for me and the other for my client. Yes, both of them are almost same. As you can see, I did a comparison swatch on my cheekbone of both. The highlighter from the Master Moonpiece is little more pigmented than the holiday collection one. It is just a slight difference in pigmentation that anyone can hardly recognize. Both of them are are champagne gold in color, which will look flattering on fair to medium skin tone. So that's all for today. All these products are still available online, more or less, as these are limited edition collections, so I doubt most of them will be out of stock. But don't be disheartened, because MAC always keep launching all these products again and again, so just keep your eye on this brand and on their website. Definitely you can grab few of them in future. And yes, that's complete my today's video. I hope you like this video and find it pretty entertaining. And yes, before I end up this video, I must tell you everyone that as this COVID situation is going on, which is really serious for us, so just stay safe, stay at home, and maintain all the rules and protocols to keep yourself and your family and your loved ones safe. And yes, I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful and stay stylish, like I always say. But along with that, just stay safe, healthy, and let's pray together that this shall pass pretty soon. Bye.